subtropical countries, namely Africa, India, Japan, Mexico, and USA. And it is mainly reported to be a native of South America, and we are the largest producer of chili in the world. Whereas Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Orissa, Rajasthan, and West Bengal are the chili growing states in India. We use the variety Sannam. It is well known all over the world. Rajasthan produces Mathania and Rajpuri variety, which has good demand in India because of their blood red color and high pungency. Like export of chili, nearly 10 lakh hectares, with an annual production of 10 lakh tons, is being cultivated in India. 25% they contribute to the world's chili production. Annual Indian export of chili is around 13,000 tons. That is valued about US million dollar 9.64. Together with the whole chili, the value-added products like chili powder, curry powder, and chili oleoresin, also they add a major share to our export earnings. And importing countries are Singapore, Japan, France, Russia, Canada, Italy, UAE, Saudi Arabia, USA, and UK. Paprika is mainly gaining importance because of its potential value-added products, mainly color oleoresin. And the chemical constituents of chili fruits, mainly pungency, that is the capsaicin, and the coloring matter carotenoids, are responsible for the export of chili all over the world. So the capsaicin is concentrated in the pericarp, and high colored oleoresin can be obtained by extraction of pericarp alone. Process that are available to separate the oleoresin into high pungent fraction, which represent the complete flavor profile medicinal preparations, and high color fraction, which is pungent free from pungency, natural color, food color in place of synthetic color. And chili for better health, like mainly in daily dishes, why we use this ingredient chili is mainly to add pungency and color. This pungent principle has so many effects on our body, such as anti-inflammatory effects, then desensitization against different chemicals, irritants, analgesic effects. So these are the nutrition what the chili contains. That is the nutritional compounds that is present in green chili and the red chili. There are many varieties of chili available. Samba and Gundu are the major two types of chili that are used. Under Samba we have K1, K2, K1, K3, and G4 and PKM1 variety. In Gundu chili, CO2, G5, PKM1, and TLR1 are the varieties. Other varieties such as Musalwadi, Hisar Vijay, Vala, Pant, P1, and Pant P2, Hisar Shakti are the other varieties of chili being evolved by different organizations suitable for different agroclimatic conditions, besides change in the chemical constituents. So the main unit, post-harvest operations under chili is the drying of chili. The traditional method of chili, mud floor, rooftop, and the chili floor drying is being carried out. In the picture you can see they are made to spread on the floor for the drying process. That is, the fruits are dried on the floor only. And chili fruits are spread on the level the drying floor around 3 to 5 kg of fruits per square fruit. It is being dried. Bed thickness varies from 7.5 cm to 12.5 cm depending upon the moisture content of the fruit. And nearly for the 3 days they are left undisturbed, and manual sieving or turning is being done for 3 days. By this, the bottom layer of the chili comes to the top, and that helps in faster and uniform drying of the chili. And some of the constraints in this traditional form of drying, there are some loss of color with white spots over the chili surface. Sometimes loss of glossiness and pungency, involves excessive handling, contamination by dust or host for attack by soil, bone microbes, and fungi. Heavy downpours during drying season results in loss as high as 50% of the total quantity. So improved drying method, keeping that in mind, they had developed a more conventional type of drying, where it took 12 days for drying as against 25 days in the conventional drying. Chili is blanched in hot water for 3 minutes and cooled immediately and dried. So this type of drying rate was faster, and it only took 7 days for drying. Chemical treatment for chili. Pericarp of chili contains a tough waxy layer which will prevent rapid drying, and a solution containing 25 gram of potassium carbonate per liter is prepared with 15 ml of refined and deodorized olive oil is added. Chili is dipped in potassium carbonate solution for 5 minutes and drained, and the chili treatment reduced the drying to 6 days, and this dried product showed a sharp color and the glossiness. So they also developed CFTRI method for drying, where the chemical dip alone vary. That is, dipsol is a water-based emulsion containing potassium carbonate, refined groundnut oil, gum acacia, and the BHA. 15 liters of this emulsion is required to treat 100 kg of the fresh chili. They reduce the drying time to 7 days. In this picture we can see the solar tunnel dryer, which is used for drying of the chili. This is the polyhouse dryer used suitable for drying of most of the food crops, not only for chili. It can be used for drying other types of spices also. They have a tunnel like semi-cylindrical drying chamber, that is some windows are used to allow the ambient air to enter the dryer. Exhaust fan is also provided to evacuate the moist air from the dryer. Sliding door is only provided for easy handling of the produce. Trolleys and trays from 50 numbers are provided inside the tunnel to hold some 1 ton of chili for drying. The maximum temperature was observed inside was 53 to 54 degrees Celsius. And main thing is like 70 hours it took for drying time for 43 to 45 hours is required to dry 1 ton bagged chili, again 70 hours required for open. So in open sun drying it took 70, but in solar tunnel dryer some nearly within 43 to 45 hours it was dried. This dryer can also be used for drying grapes, sapota, figs, mango, amla, and fishes. So next is the storing, keeping, and the packing. So mainly discolored, spoiled, and the other damaged ones are manually sorted based on the eye judgment and experience. Clearly, these are then collected from drying yard in polywoven bags and transported to packing yard and kept to prevent absorption of moisture from the moisture from the atmosphere. This keep is fully covered with polythene sheets still packed in bags, and then these when dried chili pots have been packed in gummy bags for transportation to the market. Then they are kept in the cold storage to maintain and to preserve the color of the dried chili under this storage. Normally they are stored during February to December. This is done at a temperature of 4 to 6 degrees Celsius with the RH range from 60 to 80 degrees in local humidity. And these cold storages are normally with the 4 to 6 floors, and evaporators are placed in each of the floors for uniform distribution of the temperature. Bottom of the floor is made of wooden planks, and later frames are constructed with polyurethane foam lined with metal sheets with improved storage. And types of the post-harvest losses that happens in chili. The main loss is the discoloration, mold growth, loss of seed due to loose stem or pod, and the wrinkling of the pod. Main reason behind all this is due to the sun drying method or improper drying or the poor storage conditions and the typical injury that is happened during the drying. Preservation can be done through mechanical drying or by gentle handling and the careful packing of the chili. This is one of the chili seed extractor that was developed and used for crop propagation, besides time consuming and costly, besides involving tragedy. So mainly this chili seed extractor consists of the feed hopper, assembly concave with stand, and an electric motor, where the shaft placed inside the concave with the center mounted on bearings at both ends. what happens is this is power from the motor is transmitted, and it rotates around 700 rpm. Dyed chili fed into the feed hopper and subjected to beating action by the beaters and macerated into pieces without rupture of the cell, and thereby seeds get separated from the fruits easily, and the seeds is then separated from the hulls manually. Some of the features of this machine chili seed extractor is it gave an efficiency of 96%, and at one time we can extract 15 kg of seed, and the seed quality is not affected, and total cost of the unit is just 15,000, and overall capacity is 50 kg per hour. So this is the photo of the chili seed extractor. Thank you.